AWS has invested over $60 billion in the Commonwealth of Virginia in the last 18 years and supports thousands and thousands of jobs across the Commonwealth. The partnership has stood the test of time, and that's why we're so excited that that partnership is expanding in such a large way. The tax contributions are huge for our counties. For every dollar that a county invests, there's $13 that comes back to them from this ecosystem. And so this is truly an engine of economic opportunity, which is why Virginia is so proud to be the international center of data center activity because of what it does for our Commonwealth.
I was doing the math on this last night. Our budget per year is roughly around 55 million, and they're going to do 6 billion. So my math was, and I'm not very good at math, but it was 106 years for us to make that up in our current budget. The Mattamead project will allow Caroline County to expand our fire and rescue services, provide for better schools, improve our roads, help with future business recruitment, improve the quality of life for our citizens while lessening their tax burden. I just want to say this past weekend, we opened our first ever county-owned fire station down in Caroline. And so that was huge to us. And that took a long time. You think about how old Caroline is, having our first county-owned fire station. And it's investments like this and money like this coming in, we need more.
Very seldom do we get to be part of something that's transformational. But for the folks of Louisa County, and truly for Central Virginia and the counties that are represented here in the Commonwealth, this is a transformational opportunity. And I want to put this into perspective from a Board of Supervisors and local representative point of view. Our citizens come to us all the time and want to make sure that we have great school systems, that we have great school teachers, that we have emergency services that can answer the call. We are able to have this type of opportunity, this type of investment, meet the demands of our citizens and our responsibility, yet preserve the character of the county because it is such a small footprint. And that makes this exactly the type of opportunity that when we ask our folks in the county to go out and bring us quality investment, that's what AWS has done, and that's what's happening in Louisa County.
Spotsylvania County is proud to have AWS as a new member of our thriving business community. The company has a proven track record of not only being a business, but a community partner. Through its local STEM programs, disaster relief efforts, and focuses on feeding the hungry in its communities that it is in. This project will bring much needed revenue to our community that can be used for schools, public safety, and many other essential services. These initiatives will further enhance the quality of life for county residents.
I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere appreciation towards Amazon Web Services for the invaluable partnership throughout the entire process. This unwavering support has been instrumental to our success, and we'll be thankful for their business.
Let me just back up and talk a little bit about data centers and why data centers have such a ripple effect when they come to a community. They are an economic catalyst. And so, of course, there's the enormous investment associated with, of course, building a data center. There are all of the people that they employ. I mean, great jobs. I mean, the kind of jobs that provide careers for people. But there is an economic catalyst that happens here as well. There is an upstream ecosystem that has been built, supply chains, workforce training that feed into our data center community. And there's a downstream community that is built everywhere from development to cybersecurity, all the way through to all of the businesses that support these communities. This ripple effect is enormous. And for every single data center job, 4 people are hired. 4 more are hired around this ecosystem. That is why there is such an economic contribution. These state-of-the-art data center campuses need extraordinary people to work there. And it's this commitment that AWS has been making and will continue to make to making sure that workforce is not only trained for today, but developed for tomorrow that is so exciting.
These investments support jobs for people who help bring us cutting-edge services to customers all around the world. From the construction workers who build the data centers, to the electricians who wire them, and the maintenance teams and technicians who provide their upkeep and operations, they're all coming. And AWS and Amazon are proud to call Virginia and these 4 counties home.
Without a question, this is not a pebble into a pond. This is a big boulder into a lake. But there are great ripple effects that happen all over the Commonwealth.